In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Steam to Xbox account. Linking these two makes it easier to see your friends, share your activity across platforms, and sometimes discover games faster. All from one place. We'll keep it simple and secure, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Xbox app on your PC. If you don't see it, you can install it from the Microsoft Store. Make sure you are signed in with the Xbox or Microsoft account you actually use for gaming, since the link will attach to this specific account. It's also a good idea to let the app update first so the menus match what you see here. Once the app is open, look to the bottom right for your profile picture. Click that to open your account panel. At the very top right, you'll see a small gear icon for settings. Go ahead and select it. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry, the profile button and the settings gear are usually in those same corners. But the design may change slightly with updates. Inside settings, find the section labeled linked accounts. This is where the Xbox app centralizes connections to services like Steam. Scroll until you see Steam, then choose the link option next to it. If you already linked Steam in the past, you'll see indicators like connected or options to manage or unlink. If not, selecting link will start the process. A browser window will open and take you to the official Steam sign-in page. Enter your Steam username and password securely. If you use Steam Guard or two-factor authentication, complete that verification as prompted. You might also see a confirmation screen asking you to allow the Xbox app to access certain basic Steam account details. This is normal and required for the link to work. Approve the request. And wait a moment for the confirmation message. If the browser doesn't appear, check for pop-up blockers or try again with your default browser. When the link is confirmed, switch back to the Xbox app. In the linked accounts section, Steam should now show as connected. If it doesn't update right away, give it a few seconds or close and reopen the app. If you realize you linked the wrong Steam account, you can return here later, unlink, and repeat the same steps with the correct one. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.